Today's topic is how to hold the pick properly. Even if you already have some experience and hold it like this, please watch until the end and I will explain why I don't recommend this kind of grip. So let's start. The first mistake is to hold it with the soft parts of your fingers. In this case, the pick will be pulled up and down by the string since we don't have a firm grip in our fingers. This affects the sound quality and hinders your ability to play fast. When the pick contacts with the string for a while, it creates a considerable amount of noise and worsens the sound. Unfortunately, if you have a weak grip and pick pulls up and down when touching the string, you won't be able to speed up. Instead, you'll be stuck on the string all the time. We need to put the pick on the top of the finger, where we have the bone. It's obviously much harder than the fingertip, and therefore the grip will be 69 times stronger. Another question is how much you bend your index finger. Often I see people holding the pick like this when the tip of the finger points back and the overall finger is bent more. But let's check something. First, let's see what happens when the pick passes the string on the downstroke. Well, I can tell that is fine. The thumb nicely holds it from above. But if I try to perform an upstroke, you can see that my pick pulls down. It happens because there's no any significant support from index finger from below. If I straighten index finger a bit and point it to the tip of the pick, it gets support from below and no longer pulls down. It is critical not only for the pick to stay in place, but also for both strokes to be balanced. You may have noticed that your down and upstroke sounds differently, and the upstroke is being the weakest part of it. If so, then check if you have this kind of support. Plus, you'll have hard time synchronizing your left and right hands if the pick slightly bends on the upstroke. In this case, on the downstroke, the pick passes through the string, let's say for 3 milliseconds. But on the upstroke, it takes 6 milliseconds to get through the string because of the bending. Synchronizing such non-constant motion with the left hand is a challenge, if not an impossible task. In certain cases, people bend their index fingers and move their thumbs in this way, minimizing the hole. Doing so can improve your grip and prevent the pick from bending in the fingers. However, this position is not relaxed. This can be easily checked. You can fully relax your hand in this position and most likely notice that your fingers are slightly straightened. If you bend them too much and the hole disappears, you won't have chance to get rid of the tension that will be collected in your fingers anyway. Additionally, I place my middle finger underneath my index finger. The index may bend slightly when you press really hard because there's an uneven balance of force in the fingers. With the middle finger below your index, you'll not face this problem. And so this grip is strong enough to play any type of music at any tempo. I hope this video was helpful. In case you have any additional questions, feel free to contact me. I offer online lessons and can assist you in solving your technical difficulties. My contacts are listed below in the description. Thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you on this channel soon. Thank you.